Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. Today we'll be talking about build and explore a maze arcade, which our maze arcade is apparently right there. So let's get started. So this is Steve. His nickname is Steve. His real name is Steven. Anyway, let's get started. Unboxing a maze arcade. So this box contains a motor. The motor is actually, I can take this out. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it. Sorry, Willie. So here's our maze arcade. I need to take this out in order to see the motor, one of the motors. So this is our motor right here. This motor. The battery pack is right here. So I'm just going to keep this part off because we might need it. We will need it. We'll need it in a bit. Then we have the switch plate. It is actually where the switch is. Can you guys see it? The switch plate is under here. Okay, the marbles. I have 3 of them. Here's this one. And then the maze tiles. This is one of them. Do I have another one? Nope. I have the one with the... Whoa, I got a ring. Anyway, the board mount. I think it's right below this. Can you guys see it? And then the switch case, which is right here. And the point tray is right here. And then the sticky foam sheet. This is one of the foam sheets for these. This one came there. This one came there. I can fit it, but I'm not. There's a sticky foam donuts. So the board mount, the sticky foam donuts are actually on that to stick to the maze arcade. And then the stoppers, I believe I have one. Well, I don't have one. I have the holds for it though. There's one. There's actually on here. This is good. I'm gonna keep it on. And then the maze board, which is all here. You guys can see it, right? Yeah. And then the point board, basically like the point tray, but no. Point board is below the point tray. And then the controller is there. And then the base pieces are all underneath. All underneath. Then what we have in the toolbox is a white, I think that says white clip or wire clip. I'm not sure. And that, let me just put these. That is right here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this. Yeah. And then the button. Right here. The nuts. Can you guys see it? The yellow things there? Yeah, those yellow things are the nuts. And then the controller mount is actually inside of this. So right under the switch case is underneath. And then the bolts are here. And then the motor clip is here. Battery clip is on the battery. Then wiggly eyes are all on these. I'm gonna put this back on. Just give me a sec. Meet my friends. Lily, Rexy, Sparky, and Lulu. And we also got a new one, Steven. So Willie's the dog who always likes to go Guys, that Maze Arcade is so funny, right? Don't you think? And this thing. That's kind of rude, Willie. I mean to be rude. I mean, I'm not mean to be rude. Sorry. Anyway, Rexy the dino, I just said dino, who's always super curious. Hey, why on my head? Lena put me on there, that's why. And then Sparky's the robot dog who's full of energy. Smoothly so he can fit. Oh! And then Lulu's the dog who's always stylish. Oh, guys, look at me. My earrings, gummy bear earrings, and then my gummy bear headband, and then Steve, the only one squeaky guy. Listen to that squeak. Now, that's a tall tower you guys made. I can fly. She's super high right now. I guess you guys can't even see it. I gotta move these back. Move. 3 parts of building. Welcome to the building. 3 parts of building. Part A, Sparky builds the base with me. Part B, Willie connects the controller with me. Part C, Rexy makes the maze with me. These two will do the same thing, okay? Then Sparky is building part A with me. Is build the base. So I'm shaking the board. So you guys can look here. Let's wait. So first, you start off with the nuts. You take the base piece, you put on the nuts. Make sure they're aimed properly. And then it skips all the other steps. And then you come up to here. Oh no, you magically just got up to here. Oh my goodness. That's so weird. And then, oh no, you forgot to click these things together. And you put on that. Oh no. You built the maze. And these are still up. They're not supposed to be up. Part B, connect the controller with Willie. Oh no, you already skipped so much parts. What happened? You skipped so many parts. And then you just connect it, hold it in place, flip it. You done? Where'd the controller come from? Oh, magically appeared. Magically appeared. You connected the controller. Why didn't you put that on? Why did we put that on? Anyway, next slide. Oh yeah. Bobby, for this, I'm just gonna show you. This is part C. Make a maze. If you guys can't see, I'll come up closer. Here. Here. So let me read what it says on the other page. So you're about to make your maze tiles. So it says, this is good, like this part, and then that is not good. Coming off is not good. Here, I can show you actually what not to do. I have an extra one. So, you are supposed to do this, but you're not supposed to do this. No. Or you're not supposed to do that. Nope. So first, you get 2, 1, 1, 2 from here. And then you magically made these. Magically appeared. Trust me, guys, you magically appeared. And then you magically, never mind. And then you magically made all these pieces in 0 seconds. Wow, they just appeared. So cool. You built your maze arcade. Learn while playing. Key question stacks. Why doesn't marble stop in certain spots? Hint, friction. Friction is actually on here. We'll talk about that in the next video. Friction comes on here, which makes it stop. Down low. And then what happens if you spin it too much or too little? Then it'll go fast if you spin it too much. It'll go small. It'll go slow if it doesn't go fast. And then I'm going to play with this for a bit. Where'd the ball go? Oh wait, I put them here. Yo, I got 40. Let me try that again. Because it was very easy. That's okay, I have another marble. I'll try from here now. Oh. Hello. This tile isn't pushed down. 30. Imagine I got 50. Anyway, let's turn that off. And then more on part 2 to explain the science behind the maze arcade. Lulu, what are the game challenges? Challenge 1, the long shot. So it's actually in the book. It'll take me 30 seconds. So let me find this. So we have challenge 1, the long shot. The long shot, and then challenge 2, the center stage. Because for the long shot, it goes long. And then the tiles are also very long. Then the center stage is when you start from the center. And then I'll let you guys a minute to read this. Okay, that's it. Wait, did I answer all the questions? Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. For now, bye!